Hey guys, welcome back to Severe Statements, and today we're going to be going over another tropical update video. In this video again, we will be covering Tropical Storm Beta, which has now is almost making landfall on the Texas coast. It has weakened below hurricane limits, but again, it's just sitting on the edge of that. So the main threats now will only be heavy rain and a couple tornadoes that have passed upon the coast. So we'll be going over that briefly today. So as you can see, it was going to make landfall as either a Category 1 hurricane or just below that, but now it's going to be making landfall as a tropical storm. It'll hit again just northeast of that Corpus Christi area on the coast, northeast Padre Islands as well. So if you go to the U.S. rainfall potential, so we see that 6+ inches right here, that dot right over northeast of Corpus Christi area, Padre Island. And then we see it kind of start to bend northeast again, 4 to 6 inches, and then along the Louisiana coastline. Shifting north, it's 4 to 6 to 10 inches even over there as well. And then we see going north into even very southern or very northern Arkansas and southern to south central Arkansas. That's where rainfall totals can be exceeding 2+ inches as well. So if we go to the storm surge map here, storm surge isn't going to be too extreme, but over here by Galveston Bay, Antonio Bay as well, we can see 2 to 4 feet of storm surge. So that's not very damaging. That'd just be the flood roads along the side of the side of the shoreline that the tropical storm Beta will be making landfall on. We see the storm surge go all the way down to almost the mouth of the Rio Grande and Baffin Bay area, and then stretches up backward to Ocean Springs, Mississippi. So that's pretty much all the storm surge. Storm surge is going to be to that bad at all. But again, it's still something to keep your mind on if you live in that threat area. So if you go to the flooding, the greatest flash flooding risk over the next couple of days. So here's it for the next 3 days. You can see right here in the left center of the screen. We do have the moderate risk right here, flash flooding about 20%, and it stretches north marginal. And it's not too much to worry about, unless if you live in the areas of south central Louisiana and southeast central Texas as well. So tropical storm wind speeds right now, they are gusting near 60. Are gusting near 80, but sustained wind speeds around 60 along the bay line right here from Louisiana to Texas. Other than that, though, we'll go over the tornado potential here real quick from the SPC. So that would be day 2 outlook and day 1. So the SPC says the tornado outlook will be around 2% per 25 miles a square. So again, that's not as high as tornado potential as like Laura or other tropical storms or hurricanes has produced, but it's still something to keep your mind on if you live in the landfall area of Tropical Storm Beta. So guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. If you do live in the affected area, make sure you monitor your area updates for mandatory evacuations or flash flooding and tornado threats as well. But other than that, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.